Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.
Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy, guys. Thank you for following the channel. Appreciate your support. Don't forget to join our group, VIP group at cryptomillion.co. Today's video will be about the Binance Smart Chain and its DeFi rise in the Binance ecosystem. I believe that the Binance Smart Chain DeFi ecosystem may catch up to Ethereum faster than we think. So I wanted to make this video to give you guys some information about the Binance Smart Chain for those who don't know what it is. I believe I may have did a video on it a couple of months ago. I wanted to update now because things are moving very fast in terms of total value locked on the Binance Smart Chain. So currently, Ethereum has about $40 billion locked on its DeFi projects, and you can find that at DeFiPulse.com. Binance Smart Chain has about $5 billion, but I believe Binance is going to grow very fast, and perhaps 10x in the next coming months. I think Binance Smart Chain has some certain advantages over Ethereum, like lower gas fees and lower transactions costs, and it's also much faster as well. So I think the Binance Smart Chain is posed, and also being a part of Binance, it's in a position that it could overtake Ethereum because it's well known. So let's get into the video, guys, and I want to show you guys what I've found so far about the Binance Smart Chain. All right, so first of all, for those who don't know, this is gonna be your introduction. What is the Binance Smart Chain? The world's most popular decentralized crypto exchange is expanding its push into DeFi with the Binance Smart Chain, a companion to the existing Binance Chain that offers smart contracts and Ethereum compatibility. Will adapt developers embrace it en masse. Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain platform for developers that allows smart contracts. It runs in parallel with the original Binance Chain, which is optimized for fast transaction. Binance Smart Chain is also compatible with apps originally coded for Ethereum. Now that's crucial because if a DeFi app is originally coded for Ethereum, they could just port it over the Binance Smart Chain with no problem. So that's important. I'm not going to give you... So they launched the Binance Chain, and it was relatively quick and optimized for fast trading, but the Binance Chain did not have the extensive functionality needed to support a wider array of decentralized apps. That is where the new Binance Smart Chain comes in. As the name suggests, it is a more advanced blockchain than the original, but it's a parallel platform, not a replacement. What is Binance Smart Chain? Launched in September 2020, Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain service that allows developers to build their own decentralized apps using smart contracts. The original Binance Chain wasn't built to allow such functionality, but the Binance Smart Chain has been designed to provide the same kind of speedy transactions while also greatly expanding the available features and capabilities. It also is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, which means it's capable of running dApps ported over from Ethereum. So here it says Binance Smart Chain has launched. Numerous crypto projects are already working with the Binance Chain community to help make BSC a robust blockchain platform, such as Aave, Swipe Wallet, 1inch Exchange. All of those places are already working with the Binance Smart Chain. However, Binance Smart Chain is not a rebranded version of the original Binance Chain, nor is it a layer 2 or side platform meant solely to expand upon the original Binance Chains. Binance Smart Chain is a completely separate, standalone blockchain that can continue on even should the Binance Chain go offline. But the two blockchains are ultimately designed to work in parallel. Binance Smart Chain utilizes what is called a proof-of-stake authority consensus algorithm, a hybrid of proof-of-stake and proof-of-authority models. Validators on the network are those who have staked a certain amount of BNB, and they receive transaction fees when they validate approved blocks on the network. As mentioned, Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain are designed to work in unison, and Binance has built an easy cross-chain compatibility between them. Assets can be quickly transferred between the blockchains, thus pairing the speedy trading capabilities of the former with the smart contract functionality of the latter. Binance Chain BEP2 and BEP8 tokens can likewise be swapped for Smart Chain BEP20 tokens. Additionally, Ethereum virtual machine compatibility means that creators of dApps on other blockchains could port them over the Binance Smart Chain with relatively ease. This could be particularly compelling to dApp operators as Ethereum continues to grow and gas fees rise. although Ethereum plans shift the proof-of-stake model in Ethereum 2 could alleviate some of its current scaling concerns. But what's so special about Binance Smart Chain? The cross-chain compatibility between Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain offers an intriguing tandem of possibilities to developers, letting them harness the respective strengths of both blockchains to maximize the functionality and the performance of their dApps. Additionally, EVM compatibility means that dApps can be brought over from Ethereum and then potentially enhanced and expanded on the Binance Smart Chain. There's a lot of up-and-coming blockchains that aim to steal some of the thunder from Ethereum thanks to EVM support, including Avalanche and Tezos, and Binance is adding its name to that list with the Smart Chain. Binance has the advantage of this is the advantage that Binance has. Binance has the advantage of immense name recognition in the space, not to mention considerable funding and liquidity given its flourishing exchange and ecosystem. Binance Smart Chain is really targeted at developers of decentralized apps, whether they're looking for a platform to build a new app or want to port over from a project from Ethereum. Between the dual chain system, EVM support, and Binance's own backing, the firm hopes to draw developers into its ecosystem, creating value for all stakeholders. So basically, as Binance founder Shane Panzal explained to Decrypt in October 2020, the company sees Binance Smart Chain as a way to bridge the gap between centralized and decentralized finance. Binance has established a $100 million fund to support decentralized finance projects that launch on the blockchain, including up to $100,000 for certain individual projects. The future, in the early days for Binance Smart Chain, which was just launched at the start of September 2020, after the concept was unveiled early in the year. Even so, Binance is putting a big push behind the platform thanks to its $100 million support fund for DeFi apps and emphasizing the benefits of the dual chain approach. Interestingly, the launch of a Binance Smart Chain and strong attempts to court DeFi developers go against Binance's core business of being a centralized exchange. According to the company, is continually trying to disrupt itself. For some people, the emergence of DeFi represents a shift away from centralized blockchain platforms. That could be interpreted as a threat to services such as Binance. We beg to disagree. For us, DeFi is the opportunity to offer better solutions to the blockchain world. We'll see whether Binance Smart Chain is a leading blockchain platform for decentralized apps in the years ahead. Now, I'm going to do a separate video on the DeFi part of Binance Smart Chain, but it's growing really fast. And just to show you how fast it's growing, Binance Smart Chain's PancakeSwap is one of now the largest DEXs out there. PancakeSwap traded over 400 million in daily volume yesterday and briefly became the world's second largest DEX service. So that is huge. The first largest DEX service is obviously Uniswap, but 400 million in volume is huge. Another indicator of the quick, fast adoption of the Binance Smart Chain. I want to pull this up. I had found something. There was a post by Shane Panzal a few days ago where he said that the Binance Smart Chain had now passed Ethereum in terms of daily transactions. Oh yeah, here's from Shane Panzal. So there are currently more daily transactions on the BSC Binance Smart Chain than on Ethereum network. Soon the total value acted on BSC will also surpass Ethereum. So this is what he's referring to. The Binance Smart Chain daily transaction chart. The high number of transactions was 1.7 million. That happened Thursday, February 11th. 1.7 million transactions, which is more than Ethereum. And this thing hasn't even been out for more than a year. This thing started in September. It hasn't even been out for more than almost 6 months, and it's already past Ethereum in transactions. So that's a big sign. Another sign I was looking at total value locked in DeFi. As you can see, since January of this year, Binance Smart Chain has almost $6 billion locked in DeFi, and this has only been tracking for 2 months. So it's really, there's 35 DeFi projects on this DeFiStation.io. You can go there to see the total value locked. Now DeFi Pulse, which keeps track of Ethereum's total value locked, which is at 40.12 billion. But I think we have to realize that I think Binance's DeFiStation is coming fast. At this level of growth, in 2 months, 5 million, we could see if it keeps doubling like this every month, if it gets to 10 million next month and then 20 million, we could see in 3 to 4 months it at $40 billion as well. And I'm going to do a separate video about some of the projects on Binance Smart Chain and their DeFi projects. But this Binance Smart Chain is moving very fast. It's moving very fast. And the reason why, I'm going to show you why it's moving very fast, is because Binance Smart Chain is beginning to rival Ethereum in terms of transaction volumes, but it's all because of one dApp. So, and this dApp is the total transaction volume on Binance Smart Chain since the start of February has reached 24 billion. At this rate, BSC might soon become the #1 blockchain in terms of transaction value. However, a single decentralized application is responsible for most of it, Venus. I'm going to do a separate video on Venus as well. But, you know, this is definitely showing that DeFi is moving over from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Now, some of the top dApps, as you can see here, PancakeSwap. If this is at dappradar.com, if you can see on Binance Smart Chain, some of the top dApps are PancakeSwap with 36.k users, AutoFarm 7.k users, Pancake Bunny with 3.48 users, ApeSwap, JewelSwap, Venus, and then the volume is like, you know, PancakeSwap 344 million. Venus has 13.84 billion in volume. So if you look at users, you know, PancakeSwap has the most users. The most volume is Venus and AutoFarm. So, you know, as they get this DeFi ramped up, on Ethereum, I believe the most used is, in terms of volume, is DYDX, Compound, and Curve. But in terms of users on Ethereum, the most used is Synthetics, WBTC, Earn Finance. But the users on BSC is actually more right now. PancakeSwap and AutoFarm have more users than any Ethereum dApp. So BSC adoption has happened very fast, and I think we need. I just want to make you guys aware of it, that you guys need to really, you know, look at BSC, Binance Smart Chain, because as these Ethereum fees continue to rise, people will leave Ethereum and start coming to Binance Smart Chain because they don't want to pay $100 for each transaction, whereas Binance Smart Chain, with the low transaction, is more available. This validates the logic that low fees attracts more users and projects. We will continue to work with BSC and community to promote low fees, even as BNB rises and build more. This was what it is. People are fleeing Ethereum because of the high fees, and it's also not. It's just also not as fast as well. But I'm going to leave all of these things in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the Binance Smart Chain. I think for DeFi projects, the Binance Smart Chain is ideally, right now, the best blockchain for DeFi projects. And there's already 60 dApps on there for DeFi projects. And it's very easy to transfer from Ethereum over to Binance Smart Chain because of the EVM. So basically, when it comes to DeFi projects right now, you have Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, but Binance Smart Chain has the most lower fees. Recently, Ethereum had recorded fees over $100 for a single transaction, while Binance Smart Chain charges between 1 cent to 5 cents for the same service. And then also, the transaction speed with Binance Smart Chain, like I said, is a lot faster. So, bottom line, Binance Smart Chain provides faster and cheaper transactions than most blockchains and allows developers to port from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain with ease. Moreover, Binance is actively encouraging the development of the new DeFi apps on BSC by promising projects through funding to projects to launch 100 million developer fund. Arguably, the easiest way to access Binance Smart Chain to take part in this growing DeFi ecosystem is using the Trust Wallet dApp browser. So they are getting really big. So guys, that's my video for today. We're gonna get into specific projects on the Binance Smart Chain in the next few videos. But this is definitely something that Binance Smart Chain is becoming a strong contender to Ethereum. And right now, I'm going to give you, this is another stat that blew me away. Binance Smart Chain now has over 50,000 active wallets per day, only surpassed by Tron and Ethereum, which have around 68,000. So, in a little bit of time, Binance Smart Chain will have, many more wallets, or more wallets than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's not Bitcoin, I'm sorry, Ethereum and Tron. Even currently, Venus is doing about 14 billion in transaction data. Uniswap is doing about 8 billion. So Venus is already doing as many transactions as Uniswap. Also,
did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.